Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at KWESST Micro Systems Inc., ticker symbol KWE, a $48 million software development services contract and price continuation play. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey, always do your own due diligence. If you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called 5 100% plus runners for our private Discord members today, June 10th, 2024, and here are the top 3. We called DSY pre-market today before its parabolic run up 244%. We also called KWE pre-market today, the stock we're doing the review on in this video, before it ran up 215%. BWAQ was called pre-market today in our private Discord before it ran up 189%. We just made different. This is what we do, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what has been working for us. So let's get right into it with KWESST Micro Systems Inc., ticker symbol KWE, which is located in Ottawa, Canada. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ aerospace and defense company with a $3.54 million market cap and 17 employees. KWEST Microsystems Inc. engages in the development and commercialization of tactical systems and ammunition for military, public safety agencies, and personal defense markets. The company's non-lethal products include para-ops devices and RWEN products. KWEST Microsystems Inc. was incorporated in 2017. Now let's look at KWE's most recent news. On June 10th, 2024, the company reported that it had been awarded a subcontract by Thales Canada. Under the subcontract, KWEST will deliver specialized software services for work under the Canadian Department of National Defence Land C4ISR series of contracts to modernize the Canadian Army's capabilities through advanced land command control, communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance systems. The contract was signed at close of business on June 7, 2024. Now, the contract award is a task-based contract with a maximum work share of approximately 48 million Canadian dollars over the initial 6-year term. Now, the price action on KWE stock was pushed upward today, 215% in after hours with this news. And this could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. A continuation in price increase is possible. It's also important to note that the float on KWE stock is just 6.78 million. It is a very low float stock. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, KWESST Micro Systems Inc., KWE, is a publicly traded aerospace and defense company. KWE is a company we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will KWE run parabolic again? It will need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see that continued volume before we actually day trade the stock. This is not advice, and we are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion, and I will have KWE on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.